Warning: Bitag Live Primetime is a social media production that caters to mature audiences. It is a no-holds-barred expression of views and opinion of the investigative journalist and host Ben Tulfo, intended for Filipino viewers worldwide. Discussions may contain language and humor that may be inappropriate for some sensitive viewers. If you do not approve of the above, please do not watch our video. Should you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' maturity is advised.
Kaya daw mataas ang ratings ni President Digong, 91%, pinakamataas sa lahat ng mga pangulo. Nasimulang nauso ang ratings kasi kay President Noy, nasa 80 lang, pataas, pero hindi umabot ng 90 kasi 3 buwan pa lang. In fact, pagkakasurvey pa lang kay President Noy, mga July 1 to 3, 4, 5, ganun ho agad nakuha niya. Overall, 91%. Ikumpara ho natin yan kay Citizen Noy, alayo mga bossing. Ngayon, eto hong tatablan na naman. Sila ho magsasabi gana rin. Honeymoon stage kasi yan. Dahilan kung bakit mataas ang ratings ni President Duterte. Give me a break, bleeding yellow heart, kung ikaw man ay Dean, kung shame on you, Dean. Dean of what? Dean of law, loko. Makinig ka. Sino ba nagtanong sa'yo para sabihin mo, para i-analyze mo, ikaw naman kasi Dean of College of Law Dean ka pagkatapos, who the hell are you to come up with your analysis na baseless, because this is not about, it's no longer law. This is about statistics. This is about popularity and trust. This is about survey. This is not your forte. Loko din. Kasi sabi niya, honeymoon period lang, dahilan kung bakit mataas ang trust ratings ni President Duterte. Can you imagine this loko moko din law? Na, yun daw trust ratings kaya mataas kasi nasa honeymoon period. When did you become Dean of Law and Analysis when it comes to survey and trust ratings? And about the trust ratings, dito ho, pagdating sa bagay na to, since when did you become master in analyzing trust? Trust, credibility, respect, and integrity. Since when did you fully understood the meaning of respect? Respetado ho si Digong eh. Acceptability. Mataas ang acceptability. Yan ho, kung pag-uusapan ho, katanggap-tanggap si President Digong. Okay? Integrity. Lahat na kanyang sinasabi, sabi niya, di bali ako kung baga sabihin na lang ako ng sabihin, basta't i-deliver ko. Sinabi ko the man of integrity, he says it, he does it. When I say it, I'll do it. Yan ho si President Duterte. So ngayon, because of that respect, acceptability, and integrity, therefore, this guy has a highest rating, and that's because he is credible. Do you understand law, Dean? Don't talk to me about honeymoon. Maybe you get married first, you understand the meaning of honeymoon. You know, if you're talking about honeymoon, marami hong kumukontra, kumakyaw ka. Sino ho tong mga nagsasalita kahit na hindi nga nararespeto kung anong ibig sabihin ng honeymoon stage, honeymoon period? Like, lie. Ganon din si Drilon. These people and the other et al, the yellow bleeding hearts, and their spin doctors, yung mga nagpapaikot, are the ones trying to make it a bad news and a bad ways to say, maganda, hilain natin pababa. You know, the honeymoon period doesn't have anything to do with the respectability, acceptability, integrity, and respect or credibility kay Digong. That's why mataas yung kanyang. These are all the sum total of trust. Ang tiwala ho kasi nakakamtan, hindi pinagkakaloob. Pag sinabi mong honeymoon period, parang pinagkaloob mo para tumaas ang ratings ni President Duterte. No! It wasn't accorded to him. He earned it. It's like respect is earned. It isn't given to you. Trust is earned. It isn't given to you. Trust is based on You walk your talk. Trust is based on sum total of trust is respectability, acceptability, integrity, and credibility. Raek, kung tawagin yan. Kung anong nakikita ng taong bayan na hindi ginawa nung mga panahon ng dilaw kasi sila'y buisit, malungkot, galit sa panahon ng dilaw, dito ho sa panahon ni President Duterte, ginawa niya ho yung mga bagay na hindi ginawa. Yung kinagalit ng taong bayan, ngayon niya ho ginagawa. He walks his talk. Like yung sinasabing, kamo diha, mga kriminal na mga gabaligyan ng droga, patsyunamo kamo. Oh, look at what's going on. Nanlaban. Di ba? Does anybody care na kapag nanlaban niya mga suspect na yan? Only the Human Rights Commission of Human Rights, Lai de Lima, and then Franklin Drilon, the pawis guy with cholesterol, tagatak. So that's what it is. Kaya yung honeymoon period that is not a reason kung bakit napangkamtan ni President Digong ang trust rating. Para mo sinabi, wala namang kumukontra eh. Wala namang nagsasalita. Give me a break. The first month, nakita agad nila, nagtrabaho agad si President Digong. Kung ano yung sinabi niya, dineliver niya. You see, President Digong doesn't want anything about, permissiveness. Pagbabaliwala. Permissiveness, yung hindi pagbabaliwala. Permissiveness is something, parang tanggap mo. Tanggap mo na maraming droga ng panahon, na maraming binabenta dyan. 92% of the barangay na medyo sakop na at kuha na ng mga droga nung araw yun. So, that's basically, you're saying, acceptability. Tolerance, mahabang PC. Na, may due process yan. Hindi dapat ganyan. Sinakita mo yun? Dismissiveness. Binabaliwala. Kay President Digong, pag upo niya, he says, itong ginagawa niya ngayon. Kaya, nakita ng tao, mataas. Kung titingnan niyo, gumapang ho si President Digong sa kanyang survey before the election. Pataas ho siya. Lumabas na lang ho siya nang nagsalita na ho siya, umikot na ho siya sa buong bansa para ipakita ang kanyang plataforma. Then and only then, nung marinig ng taong bayan, abay, kaiba to, itong gusto namin. Kaya tumaas, lalo-lalo nung umupo na siya, tapos inumpisahan niya pagtrabaho, rat-ratan dito, rat-ratan doon. Look what happened. Kayo ba'y naniniwala, mga bossing? Tell me, come on, tweet me. Naniniwala ba kayo sa sinasabi nitong Lodin, kung sino itong loko-loko na to, na para sabihin, kaya 91% ang ratings ni President Digong kasi honeymoon period. Ibig sabihin, pinagbigyan namin yan, hindi namin yung kinante, walang nagsasalita, bilang respeto at kurtesiya, hindi ayaw namin magsalita kasi bibigyan namin, ipinagkaloob namin yung sinasabing honeymoon stage. Lul! Laugh out loud! You! Lul! Laugh out loud! You! Lul! Lul! Di ba? You laugh out loud!